Right, chaps, it's Thursday, I think, Friday, something like that. There's a lady locally who's selling her Capri. She's had it for 30 years. Apparently it's a V6 3-litre GXL or something like that. And some of it's in bits. Engine's been rebuilt, but not put in the car. And she wants to sell it. And they've got spare parts as well, so I'm going to go and have a look just in case there's anything I need, and also to see the car, so hopefully she'll let us film. Anyway, I'm off there now. See you in a bit. Dudes, I'm at Colborne Motors. Let's go and have a look at the Capri. I think they're closing down the shop. Alright, dude. Nice to see you, man. Let's have a look at what we've got.
Book online now at airlingus.com.
Where are we? Mel, where is she? Oh, there it is. Thanks, mate. Oh, wow. This looks the badass. Wow. Let's have a look at the front. That's the bonnet I've got as well. And
I've got 3 of them.
That's the one. See, ours was a single headlight, and this is the twin headlight. So I've been trying to guess how to build the headlight thing for hours. Whew. That's it. They're the bezels. Yeah. And these are these the original lights?
Yes.
See, I've got to make those, because mine is, again, I've got to make it from scratch.
Yeah.
So, how long have you had the car? No, just Mel?
No, don't.
Okay.
About 35 years.
About 35 years?
Yeah.
What, so have you ever driven it?
Oh God, yeah.
Yeah.
Last time it was taxed and on the road was 96.
Okay.
And it's just been sat on
When I was
ramp
16.
ever since.
When I was 16. That is awesome. So, have you got the paperwork for it?
I haven't. I've sent off for the logbook because I've lost it. I've been doused twice. So
Okay.
sent off for the logbook, but it's always been mine. It's done just over 22,000 miles.
So you've done 22. It's done.
Car.
Bloody hell. That is unreal. Where's the gearbox? Somewhere down there somewhere.
The dash is scrap. But I've got another one.
Okie dokie. This is what model is it? Originally, like
3-litre GXL.
3-litre GXL. That means it's got a sunroof as well, man. Look at that. Is this primer? Some sort of red coat to protect it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll tell you what, man. This is gorgeous, right? Some of the blokes that are going to be watching this, including myself, are going to be having that thing.
Well, I've got complete bits for this.
Yeah.
Obviously, it was stripped.
Where's the engine?
Okay.
Let's have a look at the engine.
It's all wrapped up.
So you had the engine built.
Yeah.
How long did your engine builder have the engine for?
Oh, I had it for about 5 years.
Can't see what's in there,
No,
man.
you can't.
Okay, well I won't. Rocker covers.
Yeah.
I'm ever so sorry.
It's okay.
That was off this motorcycle.
Don't worry.
There we go.
Well, he's given me some paperwork for that.
Okay, so that's its original engine.
Yes.
Oh
yes.
man, this is beautiful.
I don't know why I had it done, but I didn't realise it had only done 22,000.
That is unreal. Did he have
Till I
to?
sent off for a logbook.
Surely you wouldn't have had to do a lot of work on it if it's been looked after and it's only done 22,000.
No, it was running perfect, but I just thought, business, I'm stripping it. I might as well do it. So
I think it's cool, man. If you don't mind me pointing out,
rebuilt it.
a lady like yourself
But this
having
is all off this.
Yeah.
And those.
bumpers. Oh, that's the number plate then. PFK. What year is it?
73.
73. Okay.
Obviously.
Exhaust manifolds, rocker covers, brake servo. You got 2 radiators there. They look mint.
I've got lots of radiators.
They look mint. They do.
I've got
Oh, that's the trim.
3 now. Oh, well, I took the trim off.
Yeah.
But
And the rear, the jockey sticks, I think it's called. And you got a boot and 2 spare.
now I've got 3 bonnets,
Right.
2 boot lids.
And there's some more bumpers there as well.
Yeah, more bumpers.
And you got the carb, some Weber carb. That's off a Pinto, isn't it? That carb.
Oh, that was off this.
Yeah. Oh, it's a degas then. It will be a degas, won't it? Yeah. Let me have a look. If it's a 2-barrel carb,
I'm sure that's
I mean,
but
yeah, that's it. That's the 38D gas. That's off your motor, that is.
yeah, there's a million spare. These are all spares.
Yeah. You got the interior there. You got the interior there. What's this then?
They're just spares.
Oh, that's the glove box, isn't it? Wow, man, this is incredible.
Loads of chairs.
Chairs.
Yeah. I've got 3.
And you got some shock absorbers there. Is that from the? That looks like Capri as well. You got some different dash pots there. Has yours got a 2 dash? Has it got 2 gauges or 6 gauges? Is it on?
It's still attached, but the thing's broke. But we can use one off that.
Oh, there's one down there. There's one down there. Is this a gearbox? What's this? That's the spare, isn't it?
No, that's this.
Oh, that's the dashboard. That's it, the 6-pot one, like mine.
But that's cracked since it's been in here.
Okay.
But
Right.
there's a 6-pot one there, so it just needs the cover change.
Okie dokie. So you're offering the car up for sale.
And all the bits.
Any idea what you want? Have you made your mind up, or do you not know?
I've no idea.
Well, I saw one of these in mint condition. I had just one. Yesterday I had one in mint condition. When I mean mint, I mean absolute mint.
Yeah.
It was just under 30 grand it fetched.
Spare bits. More doors.
Why did you get all these doors and the boots? Did you try to pick the best one?
No, I just stripped some cars when they was scrap.
Okay.
So I kept some bits.
All right.
That's the exhaust system. It was Jansby, but it does look a bit. I had it there.
What do you want for it? Do you know?
I don't know. I don't know what it's worth.
Ideally, what do you want the situation? Do you want someone to just come and offer you cash and you say yes or no, or do you want to put it on auction? Are you emotionally attached to the car? Which you probably are, because you've had it 30 years.
I've got nowhere at all to put it. I haven't got a garage at home.
Well, how long would you need to store it, if that even helped you? Would you want to store it?
Well, as we're closing, I haven't got a wage either, so...
Okay.
So really...
Right, gentlemen, I'm going to end this video here so I can have a chat with Mel, and I'll upload the rest of it later. Mel, thanks for showing me the car, and shall I put your contact details in the bottom so people can contact you about it?
Yes.
Yeah? Is that your phone number, for example?
Yeah.
And then they can ring you, and
Yeah.
so we'll leave it at that. Guys, this is a beauty. I can't believe this lady's had this here for 30 years. It's incredible. And all the spares. Are these original Ford, Mel?
Oh yeah, these are off.
The panels, I mean, these panels.
Yeah, these are all off the cars.
Bloody hell,
But
man.
there's a load of
Watch it.
There's all the rubber things for them, because I've got 3 screens and back windows, and there's another 3 sets of backlights there, a couple of these.
Okay, go.
There's loads of stuff.
So dudes, if anyone wants these, give the lady a bell. She's got loads and loads of spares to go with the car. And there's the car. Alright. Not got much rust on it. Mel, has it got any rust on it?
Do you want to take it up and have a look?
Yeah, let's do that. And it's a 3-litre GXL 1973. Correct engine, gearbox. Lady's got all the original bits, including the lights. And there's go the bumpers. Is that the power out there, Mel? Exhaust manifolds, rocker covers, radiators, glove box, I believe, another glove box. All the trim here, spare wings, which look to be original Ford. Yeah, it's got a bit of rust on it, but possibly usable. Bumpers, seats, more seats, more gauges, spare tail lights. And there's the original carburettor. I think I know someone that could rebuild that. It's a massive radiator. Alternator, huge starter motor. There's the rubbers and the trim. I believe that's the anti-roll bar, several versions of that. And it's got a... Oh yes, thank you.
I can't get the ramp up. Yeah, these need doing.
The wings. They're not too bad. Not as bad as mine, man. Battery tray. Steering. Okay, because I saw you got anti-roll bars down there. Spare anti-roll bars.
There's a lot of space.
Okay. I'll tell you what, it looks good, doesn't it? It looks very good.
It's nothing outside, but it isn't the best in here either.
Yeah, it's had some welding done in the usual places, both sides. And in the front here, and needs a little bit doing in the front.
Yeah.
And thank you for that.
I can't really. I don't know why the ramp's not working.
So a little bit of welding done here.
You won't see a lot in here, but you can have a look.
My battery's running out. Yeah, look at that. It's had a. Has it had a new A post in it?
No.
No? So it looks like what I would have done on mine. It's had something done here, hasn't it?
Oh, he's done a bit here, by
Upper A post repair. Well, it looks like a nice job.
Oh, he's wonderful.
That looks very nice.
He didn't tell me he'd done it.
And there's the floor.
He's put a ceiling.
Oh, it's had a bit of inner seal work here. Yeah, it's had some lower inner seal work as well. But it doesn't look like it's done into a nice standard. Yeah. That's the floor there. That looks very good from here. And it's dry as a bone, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's dry
he's been in here forever now.
It's dry as a bone. How long has it been parked in this garage?
20 years on this ramp.
20 years? On this ramp?
Well, we put it here because we can't go through the amount of way anyway. So this is dead space.
Oh man. Oh, I see, because you got that ramp there. Yeah. And you're selling off the ramps as well.
Oh,
Chaps, anyone wants a 4-post ramp? Mel's closing her business after 25 years and retiring to paradise somewhere, France or something like that, hopefully.
No, I'm not going to France.
No France, okay. And that's a new dash, isn't it? You got a new dash there.
Yeah, that one's no good. Oh, there's some bits came with the car. I don't know what.
Oh, some history.
Oh, that's just a book. And the man's got his own book, which I don't even understand.
What are the dates on it?
There's some bits of stuff.
If you got any history on it, that'd be great. What's that now? That's in Bridge North. £7.63 for a. Thank you. Interesting. A choke conversion kit. Bloody hell! Is it £7.63 for a choke conversion kit? They're £70 now.
Well, that was the original owner by the Chelmarsh.
That is awesome. What's 300? Is that £3.25?
Service, I think.
£3.25 for a service?
Well, it says gear oil.
Oh, £3.25 for gear
Oh,
oil.
sorry. I don't know what he's had done there.
Cool. Any date on it? No date on it, is it?
No.
Dang. Cool. So cool. Mel, I'll put your detail. I'll put your phone number on, all right, on the video, and hopefully one of my chaps.
Oh, he did an oil change.
Oh, he's kept oil change. 77, 78. Wow, look at that, man. All his oil changes.
Well, why is that clock saying 22? He's got 59,000.
Oh,
no wonder I had the engine done.
74,000.
It's gone round.
Oh, hang on. Yeah, that's it. 87, 90. So it's done over 100. So it's done 122.
Yeah.
Right.
Which doesn't
so
show
that,
that.
hang on. Is that a rebuild then? So it got to. Oh, not a rebuild. Sorry, it got to 99,000, and then he went back to the beginning at 2,000.
Yeah, it just.
What does he say there? He actually says oil changed,
filter,
air. Look at the consistency of this dude, man.
I didn't even know.
That's 89, right? So he started writing in 77.
73.
73. This can't be right. 73, 86.
90. Oh, I must have had it in 91 then.
That is mad.
I know it was 2 owners, so then it came to me after that.
Wow. Do you think
But
that's
it still
genuine?
says
The way he's wrote?
41,000 there. And that says 22.
So maybe he's done it twice. Changed engine. What does that say? Changed engine oil.
Engine oil,
changed all round.
Filters checked all round.
Yeah. So it might have done. That's probably it. Probably did need a rebuild then. The
Well,
engine.
yes, good job I did that. I didn't ask Mark.
So it's done 222,000.
No,
Okay.
no, definitely not.
That is cool, man. That is cool. Cool. All right, Mel.
Oh, what's this?
I'm glad you invited me over. What is that now?
What's this service book?
Ah,
Well, this might be. For
that's Ford. That's Ford's own.
This might be another.
Look at that,
another car.
78.
If that doesn't tally with that, it must be for one of the other cars.
Okay.
But, oh, shoot, must have come with the same car.
Right, chaps. I've been to see the Capri, and I stayed there about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Had a nice chat with Mel, the lady owner. We looked through the history. There's a lot of history of the car. It looks like it's done 122,000 or something like that. Engine's just been rebuilt, still on the crate as you saw. It's got all the original gearbox engine, all of that stuff. And over the years, because she's had an MOT garage, she's had Capris come in, the same models, that have needed too much work doing to them, and the owners didn't want to have to pay for the cars to be restored, and they ended up in her possession, and she was able to collect the parts to do hers. So she's got numerous original parts for these Fords, and you know, like gauges and consoles and seats and all of that stuff. I had a look at the welding that's been done on the car, and it looks like it's done to a pretty good level, pretty good quality actually. So it needs, obviously it needs freaking cleaning out, checking out, repair if necessary anywhere, and then it needs damn good paint job, and then obviously rebuilding. I just thought I'd share this with you guys because it's just been sitting on that ramp for 20 years, 25 years, and she's just been collecting parts. And you know, then these cars aren't getting rarer and rarer, and it's a nice example of a Capri, a Mark 1 Capri, 73 I think she said it is. Yeah, it's the facelift. It's got the bulging bonnet and all that. Alright then, chaps, if you want to get in touch, put a comment below or email me directly for information on the car, and have a nice day.